Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that which card will be best for you if you are a traveler, if you are finding a best travel card, because I'm also a traveler and I'm just saying you the top 10 cards. I also like them. So I'm saying you the all 10 best card for travel in 2023 in this year. So let's just get on to the topic and view the latest cards in the market. So the first one is, as you can see, that is Axis Bank Vistara Signature Credit Card. There is annual fee of rupees 3000 INR, which will be about 884, about $4 or something, and rating is 4 out of 5. The second one is SBI Card Elite. The fees is quite more, that is 5000. And then HDFC Bank Dinners Club Privilege Card, the fees is 2500 and the rating is 4 out of 5. After that, we will go on the Axis Atlas credit card, that is travel booking with points. You can make your side income mostly on the travel booking website, where you will get points for your card, where you will redeem or where you will purchase anything, book any ticket, you will get some points in cashback, and then you can use those points in your product. You can order any product out of them, or also you can get money against them. So these are all the benefits. The other one is Intermiles HDFC signature card, that is 2500 in fees, as you can see on this my screen. And this is lowest annual fees card, that the most favorite of mine, that is Standard Chartered Ease My Trip credit card. So just let's go on to this is card you can see, and there is a minimal annual fees, that is 350. Also the renewal fees is 350. So this card will be the best for us. You can read all the travel benefits in this menu. And this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.